Yo guys, molweni now kelekile nonke back to Ezichisabe Entertainment and so excited guys umsebenzi wami engathi uzoba mnindlana understand and I don't understand why Izingane Zesithembu are not being brought back. There is so much content to be unpacked for us. I'm a fans of the show Izingane Zesithembu. Sana Mazibuko Kwezi, baby girl, ithini into yakho. Recently, in the very few past episode of Uthando Desithembu, siyasa introduce ke to ubaby mama kaLwandle, uMazibuko, sana abantu, they are not feeling her, they are not feeling her attitude. Abamvisisi nje kakuhle, especially for uLwandle. Siyazi into ba uLwandle is someone that is really a sweet, reserved and very respectful younger man. Okay, so uLwandle guys is literally our egg. We don't want to mess with uLwandle and asifuni into ezophatha uLwandle kabuhlungu because Shay man, he's been such a respectful, like I said, and reserved young man. And umntana kaMacele noTata Mseleko. So people really are worried about the type of wife that he seems to be going to be taking. Currently, uMazibuko 1.1 ebehlalisana noLwandle ezingolweni kwaMacele, right? At the homestead of Macele. That's one red flag. Secondly, wathutha ezingolweni ngoku usemzumbe. Someone said Ukwezi is getting the yellow mention experience before Usamke actually gets to get that yellow mention experience. Umzumbe, being a Mzumbe wife. Understand? And I was literally laughing at that joke. Ntombazana, you are too forward. Even above your cars and about Tirelo. Abayenzanga lento oyenzayo sithandwa sami, and uLwandle, like uLwandle simbekele apha, we want uLwandle to follow all the rules, to follow all the cultural rules sana. Akakwazi uLwandle ukuhlalisana. Understand? So viewers are really concerned and they are really worried about uLwandle. But into ke abayivuyelayo is the fact that uTata Mseleko is 100% happy, and also the fact that uLwandle is going to have a baby boy. Okay, so these are the two things abazivuyelayo, meaning if uTata Mseleko is happy because uLwandle currently asazi into about what it is that he is currently doing for a living, and we also don't know what Ukwezi is doing for a living. So bayacho into about it means uTata Mseleko is going to take over uZokondla and uMacele, because it's going to be her very first grandchild uzomondla umntana, while they are still trying to balance life yabo and find into about what can they do to be able to provide for umntana wabo. Understand? So those are the things that really people are concerned about. What are you doing for a living, Kwezi? And kukhona ke another. Yo guys, you know what guys, being monitoring spirit sana, and ndithe scrolla ku Twitter, khona umuntu othi hayibo guys, ithini into kaKhwezi. uKhwezi uyaphapha, yes, and we also just recently found out that she was engaged back in 2024, and none of those videos and pictures have been deleted off her TikTok account. Understand? So ithini into apho yabo, that would be content for Izingane Zesithembu. We want to know about that. Amahle naye recently gave birth. Content, understand? There's so much to unpack there. So abantu bathi yo ana le ntombazana is too forward. Even abantu that went to school with Ukwezi bayacho into ba yay, Anna usisi is very out there, is very outspoken, ungumuntu nje ophapayo. So that is why some people are saying we don't think you are the correct match for uLwandle, because uLwandle ungumuntu ohloniphekileyo. Understand? But khona ke abathi we like Ukwezi for uLwandle, because when uMpumelelo ezama ukugcogcoma on top of inhloko kaLwandle, then Ukwezi uzokwazi ukumthi call into order, uzokwazi ukumbonisa uba hey kudlalwa ngawe apha, mina angapha kudlala ngawe, you must watch out, you need to open your eyes, ungayenzi le uyenze le, uzokwazi ukuthi take over abe ngulamfazi that is outspoken for uLwandle and fight for uLwandle, because yambona noTata uMseleku umjonga ngamehlo amthi amphendule, understand, amchallenge uTata uMseleku lakhwezi ke. So yeah guys, this will be the news of the hour update and nayo recently. We are hoping and praying that ukhwezi when she got engaged mhlambe akabani nganayo umntana, because siyamazi ke uTata uMseleku is against omakoti that are baby mamas, okay? So it means that into that we still need to learn and find out about again ukhwezi. But in the meantime, this is the little information ke esinayo about her. Asazi intoba usebenzaphi or where did she study. So yeah guys, if you know her, don't be shy to send me information, inside info about her. So yeah guys, what are your thoughts? Please let me know down on the comments, and so on shortly. Bye guys.